What do I do before I negotiate a car accident case settlement? Number one, I overview the entire case. So how did the accident happen? What are their injuries? How much are their medical bills? Do they have any future damages? How did it affect their life? Do they have any lost wages? Do they have any loss of income? I outline it all. I put it in a nice organized form, and then I put it to my side before I call the insurance adjuster to negotiate. Bigger points that I outline are how extensive were these injuries? So is there a 6 millimeter herniation on a lumbar spine MRI? Did they end up having surgery of any kind? Did they have injections of any kind? These are bigger procedures that radically affect the value of the case. So it's important that I have them on my side here highlighted. Another really important thing is the future damages category, because if someone went through an extensive amount of medical treatment and now they are done with that medical treatment, but their injuries haven't fully resolved, you need to make sure that that's mentioned in the negotiations, because if she or he has to go get more medical treatment after this settlement, then those future damages should be considered in the negotiations. I also like to look at who caused the accident. So if our client was hit by a drunk driver that has a criminal record a mile long, I like to bring that up in the middle of the negotiations, because the insurance company wants to settle this type of case. They don't want to have to defend their drunk insured with a mile-long rap sheet. I also like to highlight how the accident happened. If there is more to it than just I was stopped at a red light and was rear-ended. If this was a school zone accident and the other driver was going 50 miles per hour through a school zone and caused the accident, I'm going to talk about how not only did they cause an accident, but they put a lot of kids in danger as well. On more major cases, you really want to go into loss of income, because if they're not able to do their job anymore and they have to re-educate themselves into a new career because they can't do the job that they had before the accident, well, not only do they have to get another job that may not pay as much, but they have to go through this learning curve of getting readjusted into a new career. Of course, if there's any scarring or any type of disfigurement, we also want to bring that up in negotiations, because that changes the value of the case. From time to time, I will look at past jury verdicts of a case that's similar to the case I'm about to negotiate, because if they were able to get a certain jury verdict with a similar case, I'm able to kind of leverage that in the negotiations by saying, look, I know what this case could potentially be worth if we have to file a lawsuit and go all the way to a jury trial. I will also very early on in the phone call check to see if the adjuster has authority around the numbers that I want to negotiate at. Because if they don't have authority to negotiate at the numbers I want to negotiate at, then I know that they have to go back to their manager to get additional approval. And that means that I can get to their top authority, but then I'm counting on them to go back to their manager and persuade their manager something that I would rather persuade their manager. Unfortunately, that's just the way that things go sometimes, but at least you can get to that top authority and then get the manager in play on the negotiations to see what they're willing to do. There are a lot of different things that I do on a case-by-case basis, but the last one I want to mention here is I will put proposed reductions of the medical bills next to me. So even though the medical bills may be $200,000 or $30,000, I will have the proposed reduction amount that I think I could potentially get those bills down to, because that will change what our client walks away with depending on the offer that we settle at. My name is Dustin Rosen, the car accident expert, and I have negotiated and settled over 1,000 car accident cases. I have been working on the car accident industry for 13 years, and I've handled every aspect of a car accident case in the pre-litigation stage. If you'd like a free case evaluation, reach out anytime, 832-925-2030. God bless you and have a good day.